Nature. Why do you feel so good in the nature? There is no you. There is just nature itself appearing. Nature is not acting like something. It's not pretending something that it's not. Tree is just a tree. And so are you. There is no you, there is just nature. It's very natural, very ordinary, very simple. It's not separated. It's nothing special. We can say it's boring. It's just so ordinary. It's just natural. Nature is all there is. Nothing is separated from it. Never was, never will be. It's just the sense of me. That's a dream. That I am something special. But this is ordinary. It's just what it is. It's not pretending to be something else. The me is a pretender. And it's all there is as well. Just appearing as it's appearing. But it's very ordinary. And it's appearing for no one. And it has no meaning because this is very natural. Very ordinary. It doesn't need a meaning. It's not separated. Doesn't need awareness. Doesn't need to be conscious of itself. This is what it is. It's just so natural. So ordinary.